Good morning, YouTubers. We started a new project this morning and just got here. We're putting a lean-to roof with skylights in on a fence posts. There's fencing and shiplap on it, or shiplap, or more like a bow lap, so it looks a lot more, I can't think of the name of it, but it's a bit more quality. So we'll have a gate this end and a gate the other end, and we'll start today. Catch you in the build.
Once there was a courageous soldier called Tommy, but when his service ended, Tommy...
So we're putting the door here, pitch roof there, onto these big posts that we've got there, and gate here, gate down there. Okay. Okay, we've managed to get all these in today, even though it was very difficult digging because of the concrete, but got them in nicely, and we've just beat the rain. It's coming down like the clappers now, but that's a good sturdy solid wall of posts. Next thing is get the roof sorted. Okay, now we're putting up the pole plate. This is the plate that goes right along the house there. It's going to be bolted on and used with chem fix or some kind of resin fix to make sure that that is bolted to that wall, good and strong. On the left, you can see that we've already got our wall plate on, doubled up 6x2 in 2 sections to give it strength. Due to the rain, we've decided to do the log lapping. It's going to be much easier. Okay, just an update. I've got to shout because it's windy. We've got a gales on. We've started to get this lap, well, it's a log lap, which is far better than flat shipboard, so it's really coming on good. And so as we can see, it's coming in nice. That is lovely. I like this log lap. Nice. And on the pole plate, we've got resin fix or chem fix, whatever you call it, and they've so they'll be bolted on, and then this week we'll have the next few days we'll have the rafters on with the skylights in. Filling in the resin fix, go to the back and then draw slowly back out. Make sure that your drill doesn't go right through into the cavity, because as you push the bolts in, it pushes the resin fix into the cavity. So that's a little tip there. And then you push your bolts through your wood into the resin fix like we're doing here. got our little skylights in now, and we're just tiling up with these concrete interlocking tiles, and got to beat the weather, and then we've got to put our lead in here, which we'll come back to, but it's all sort of getting done. $25mm in, so the lead can come up and go in there and come down and lap down. Okay. Right, just putting the lead in, as we can see now, coming in nicely. So we've got it all prepped, going in. Our skylights are in, the roof's on near enough. So we'll crack on and get this in. Right, our lead's just done. It's 3 o'clock now. It's the winter is finished. We've got it in. Lovely. Happy days. Going to be a post up here for the fence. So Isaac's just cut this new piece here so that we can keep it separated from the shed and make it look not all one. Also putting a door in down the side here, as you can see, so that it's fully closed off now at the back, and we're getting there with the project now. Ben's just fixing that door down the side.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.